G'day, here's a parcel of rubs from Lightning Ridge, Australia. These are on darker base to black material, so they tend to have a higher price. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Moving them around for you. They've been wetted, as I think you probably can see in some of these pictures. Just bring them up a bit, and like that one there on the end. Yes, it's only a small stone, but that's what the rubs are. Gone down to the colour bar, and this is what's presenting itself. Not as much gamble with this sort of material because you can see already what to expect. Sometimes the bars might go underneath a little bit. Sometimes when you rub it you might end up finding sand comes up, but a lot of the gamble has been taken out when you buy this. Very nice bright material. Anyway, I think that's given you a pretty good idea of what you're getting for your money. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.